Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so that my viewers are fine and good. God bless you and keep smiling. So guys, you know, my previously decided to do different type of hairstyling and hair cutting ideas. There are different type of hairstyling I use in my all the previous videos. I hope that you will love my all the videos and watching start to end. So guys, keep watching my video and connect it with me. So today in this video I'm providing amazing and fabulous woman tomboy hair cutting ideas. These are so classy and so amazing. Hope you will love these hair cutting ideas. So guys, for those ladies who are searching amazing and trendy hairstyling and hair cutting ideas and they want latest and unique tomboy haircut, so this is the best option for them. They will get new ideas and new designs and new haircuts. So guys, edgy tomboy haircut ideas for women. Tomboy haircuts are a bold mix of sharp edge and effortless charm, perfect for those seeking a gender neutral style with a modest twist. These hairstyles feature short clean cuts like pixie crops, texture fade, or choppy layers that exude confidence and individuality. Adding undercuts, side shave, or asymmetrical designs elevate the look, offering a unique edgy flair. For a softer tomboy vibe, option for a tozzer look with longer bangs or a subtle quiff. These versatile cuts are easy to style and maintain, making them a favorite for women who love low maintenance yet striking hairstyles. So I hope so you will love all these hairstyling ideas. So there are different tomboy hair cutting ideas. The first one is a classic pixie cut, a timeless option with short side and soft layer on top for a playful carefree vibes. Next is texture crop, a messy choppy crop adds volume and dimension while maintaining a cool laid back feel. Next one is a undercut with long bangs. Pair a sharp undercut with side swept bangs for a striking contrast between edgy and soft. The next is buzz cut. For those who want to go ultra short, a buzz cut is bold, empowering and effortlessly cool. Now the next is a shaggy tomboy cut. Layered and uneven edgy bring a relaxed rock and roll edge to your look. Next one is a short fox hawk. This style features shaped a tapered side with long hair in the center, creating a dramatic yet sleek appearance. So guys, we hope so that you will love these hair cutting ideas. If you love these ideas, you can download this video and you can take the screenshot which one you like. And if you want more and more hairstyling and hair cutting ideas, so like my video and keep subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Be connected with me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.